Today we're going to South Africa. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to South Africa on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill? We'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, soap and shampoo, a raincoat, sunscreen, a water bottle, insect repellent, comfortable walking shoes, cool, comfortable clothing, sunglasses, a good camera, binoculars, a wide-brimmed hat, and a backpack, not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you the most essential information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you to bring the absolute best version of it. Chances are, if you're headed to South Africa, you've got a safari planned. And while there's nothing quite like seeing some of the most incredible animals on this planet, like lions, elephants, and antelope, you're going to want to take these memories home with you. You don't need to be a professional photographer or even own extremely high-end professional gear to get a great shot. Sure, a telephoto lens is ideal, but a mid-range DSLR like a Canon Rebel will do the trick. Read the manual, watch some YouTube tutorials, and you should be good to go. Don't have one and don't want to go out and buy one just for your trip? No problem. Most cell phone cameras these days are pretty good too. Just make sure to clear your phone memory before you take off. You won't necessarily be able to get up close and personal with all animals at safari. Part of respectful animal tourism is letting wildlife remain at a distance that's comfortable for them and you. Pick up a pair of binoculars, which will make you feel like you're standing right in front of a lion, which again is something we really don't want you to actually do. You know those wide-brimmed hats you see safari leaders wearing in movies and on TV? That's not just a costume. Many travelers to South Africa underestimate just how strong the sun is in this part of the world. And when you're out on safari, or simply out in the open, you're at risk of a ton of sun exposure in a very short time. Don't worry about style. Get a practical hat with the widest brim you can find. Think something made of cotton, easy to pack, and that won't fall off your head on an off-road vehicle. Kinda like this. This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. And that's it. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Bon voyage!